I've had a very annoying thing with FL Studio recently. This snap to grid thing. It's kind of very annoying to me. Okay, now if you want to do snap, you come here, this magnet tool, click on it. I left click there. Then I'll come down to anyone I want. Let's say bar. So it moves. All right. Okay. Let's say like that. Which is it. But the issue I'm having now, it's this none. The none looks like it's still snapping. I have an issue with it. Look at it. It's like it's snapping. I don't want that. I want something that moves freely. Please, Image Line, the guys that produce FL Studio, if you're watching this or if anybody know them, please tell them that their snap to grade is bad at the end of I don't want snap to grade. This is none. And this none is still moving. Like, look at it. Let me take it very close so that you can see it. It's not supposed to jump anything. Like, it's supposed to go freely. But that's not what I'm having here. So please, Image Line, you guys that produce FL Studio, this is very bad. This is really wrong. This is out of place. This you need to fix in your next edition of FL Studio. Like, you need to fix it. This is out of place, man. I don't know if anybody have worked on something that has come up bad because of this, but I have. Like in my last project, it was very bad. Like, it was like, why don't these guys just make this thing just free move? This thing is still snapping at none. It's but if you don't know how to do snap to grid or snap, you want to check your snap settings, you can try these different snap settings. That's just a video about snap in FL Studio and what I find wrong in snap to grid that I think Image and the producers of FL Studio need to correct immediately. There are lots of videos on this channel on FL Studio, on music production generally. You can check them out. Leave a comment in the comment section of this video, or if you're watching another video, please let me know if it's helpful. I've not been doing videos for a while now, and I saw some comments like, oh, this is very helpful. I love this. Thank you. And this comment I'm like, oh, I'm helping people, man. So I said, no, come on, let me do another one to help more people. That comment you dropped there, it's really like means the world to me. So thank you very much, guys. I'm a pro to this Alone Pro Studio. That's it.